Good afternoon, boss. It's 4:46 p.m. I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Jarvis, tell me my IP address.
Your IP address is 106.206.125.246.
Jarvis, please open YouTube.
Opening, boss. Say that again, please.
Jarvis, open Facebook.
Opening, boss.
Open Instagram.
Opening, boss.
Play song.
Say that again, please.
So, open Google.
What can I search for you, boss?
Microsoft.
So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of Jarvis. In this video I'm going to make a lot more things, and in previous code I changed one thing, that is I printed the whole summary and I
Good afternoon,
make
boss.
it to speak
It's
only 2
4:21
sentences.
p.m.
This is the output.
I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Details about Elon Musk.
Please wait, boss, I am searching. According to Wikipedia, Elon Reed Musk, Elon, born June 28, 1971, is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, early stage investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, founder of The Boring Company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. A centi-billionaire, Musk is one of the richest people in the world.
See guys, it is telling. Let me stop this. See, it is giving me complete summary from Wikipedia, but it is only telling me 2 sentences. This is what it is. Now I will start getting IP address. Now my next task is to get IP address, because we need to do web scraping. Then IP address is very important.
Today's video, for this I will import a module called request. First I need to get IP address for all these things. So from import I will define query dot if IP address in query, it will tell me the IP. I will define a function called IP is equal to, just type the link as it is. This is the IP link, guys. Type this link as it is and then dot text, then it will speak your IP is, and in brackets type IP, then it will print IP. Also if you want you can do, I will do this. So guys, it is showing me one error because I missed double quotes. Then also it is showing me error, that is get error. I need to import it as get, but I imported it wrong. Later I managed it. That is, you need to import like this. That is, as I will show you, from imports get import get, you need to type like this, then only this function will work, otherwise it will not work properly, guys. See, I made this.
Let me test this.
Good afternoon, boss. It's 4:29 p.m. I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Jarvis, please tell me my IP address.
Your IP address is 106.206.125.246.
See guys, it is telling and printing also. Now let me close this function, because
finding the other function, that is opening something in Google or something, opening websites. For this you need a module I already imported. Import web browser, it is a default module. You import it, no need of installation for this. I will import web browser dot open, then you just type the URL, that is www.youtube.com. then it will open YouTube. Same like this. If you want, you can add speak function, that is opening YouTube or just opening. You can type whatever you want, it is your code. Then same I will define it for Facebook, Instagram also. See guys, I am making query that elif Facebook inquiry. It will speak me again that opening, and it will open that same code for all, that is web browser.open youtube.com. Just you need to type the URL, that is www.instagram, that is www.facebook, whatever you are using. Just type that URL or copy and paste it simply. I am just typing because it is very simple. Now I will open Instagram using it, then it will speak me opening. Then after this it will open web browser.open. Now I will make something automation using Google, that is if open Google inquiry, it will ask me that what can I search for you, means it will take command from you and search automatically in Google and show you the result directly, no need for typing and all. See, after that it will speak what can I search for you, and then after that it will take command, that means it will take input or anything else. I will define Google input or something, whatever you want. I will define Google input is equal to take command.lower, that means it will take the command from us. What I will say, it will type this and it will open and it will search it in Google input.
Play song.
Guys, now I will play song using this. For this you need another module, that is pivot kit. I have already made one video on pivot kit. If you did not see this, go and see this below. It is an I button or in description. You can go and watch this. Please watch it. It is a very useful video on text to handwriting. If you want, I will add it in the description or I button. Now I will import it. This is a very powerful module for your automations or anything you want to make automatic. This will help you a lot. I will import just pivot kit. Then if it is a play song inquiry, it will play me. I will import pivot kit as kit because typing again pivot kit, it is not suitable for me. Then kit dot play on YouTube. This is a function, it will play anything on YouTube. I will search any song. Let me use a popular song, that is you all know, Believer, Imagine Dragons Believer. I will just type the name here of it and it will play me. Now guys, it's testing time.
Now let me test it all.
Good afternoon, boss. It's 4:46 p.m. I am Jarvis, boss. Please tell me, how may I help you?
Jarvis, tell me my IP address.
Your IP address is 106.206.125.246.
Jarvis, please open YouTube.
Opening, boss. Say that again, please.
Jarvis, open Facebook.
Opening, boss.
Open Instagram.
Opening boss.
Open Google.
What can I search for you, boss?
Microsoft.
search for you, boss?
Microsoft.
So guys, here one error
Play
occurred,
Say that
that
again,
is it
please.
is opening Internet Explorer. I will
Play
solve this
songs.
error in next video. Till then, stay tuned.
Play song.
Say that again, please.
So
This is it for today, guys. Hope you like this video.
So guys, that is it for today, guys. If you want this source code, I will upload it in the description. Just you can access it.
Jarvis.
And I will do lot more things in next video, that is opening many more things and doing lot more automation.